Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Today, we're going to solve another test question. What will the correct answer be? Is it option A, B, C, or D? First, let's solve the multiplication of fractions here. When multiplying, we multiply the numerators and the denominators. So first, let's repeat 5 over 7 here. A negative times a negative gives a positive, so 2 times 3 is 6, 7 times 2 is 14. Now, when adding fractions with different denominators, we need to find the least common multiple. The LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 14 divided by 14 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. So we have 10 plus 6 over 14. 10 plus 6 is 16 over 14. Can we simplify this here? Yes, it's possible to simplify by dividing by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Can we simplify it now? No, we can't anymore. We can't divide by 2 or 3 and so on. So, the final answer is 8 over 7, which is option D. Quick and to the point, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Another test question solved. Leave a like and see you in the next video.